Title: Contextual Communication in Narcissistic Personality Traits. A 10-point analysis. Introduction: Unveiling the Facade of Narcissistic Discourse. This essay embarks on a detailed exploration of the communication style inherent in individuals with narcissistic personality traits, which predominantly favors contextual over conceptual dialogue. This mode of communication, emphasizing practical situational details tailored to self-interests, strategically avoids the depths of abstract, theoretical, or universal discourse. We aim to dissect this distinctive approach to communication, uncovering its implications for interpersonal dynamics and the broader spectrum of social interactions. Points 1 to 4. The Ascent, Dissecting Narcissistic Communication. 1. Situational Dominance. Narcissistic individuals exhibit a pronounced preference for situational details in communication, leveraging immediate contexts to foreground self-promotion or manipulation. This strategy enables them to craft narratives that glorify their image or further personal agendas. 2. Conceptual Avoidance. There is a marked aversion to engaging in abstract or conceptual discussions, which are often dismissed as irrelevant by narcissistic communicators. Such topics, requiring a degree of empathy or selflessness, do not align with their self-centered objectives. 3. The self-centered narrative. Conversations are frequently commandeered to revolve around the narcissist's personal experiences, achievements, and desires. This monopolization restricts dialogue to territories where they can assert dominance or garner attention. 4. Manipulative Contextualization. Narcissists adeptly manipulate contextual information to sway conversations and perceptions to their advantage. Through selective disclosure or distortion, they wield context as a mechanism of control over others. Point 5. The Summit, Mastery of Contextual Manipulation. 5. Peak of Self-Interest Communication. The pinnacle of narcissistic communication is achieved in their masterful manipulation of situational details for self-serving purposes. This zenith reflects a strategic, albeit unethical, prowess in bending contextual discourse to uphold their self-image and fulfill personal ambitions. Points 6 to 10. The Descent, Broadening the Perspective. 6. Impact on interpersonal relations. The narcissistic predilection for contextual communication significantly strains relationships, fostering environments rife with misunderstandings, resentment, and emotional distress among peers and loved ones. 7. Navigating the narcissistic discourse. Recognizing and understanding the dynamics of narcissistic communication empowers individuals to navigate these interactions more effectively, setting boundaries and seeking constructive dialogue. 8. The role of self-awareness. For those interacting with narcissistic personalities, cultivating self-awareness is crucial in distinguishing between manipulative tactics and genuine communication, enabling a healthier response to such dynamics. 9. Therapeutic Interventions. Professional counseling or therapy can offer strategies to both individuals with narcissistic traits and those affected by them, aiming to foster healthier communication patterns and interpersonal relationships. 10. Towards healthier communication. The journey beyond. Narcissistic communication involves a collective movement towards empathy, mutual respect, and understanding, promoting a shift from situational manipulation to authentic conceptual dialogue. Conclusion: beyond narcissistic contextualization, exploring the nuances of narcissistic communication reveals a complex interplay of self-interest, manipulation, and avoidance of deeper conceptual engagement. By critically examining and responding to these tactics, there is potential not only for personal growth and resilience among those affected, but also for encouraging a more empathetic and genuine exchange in all forms of interpersonal communication. The Tree of Relief. Final thought: cultivating authentic connections. In dissecting the narcissistic approach to communication, we uncover the fundamental need for authenticity, empathy, and conceptual depth in our interactions. Moving forward requires us to transcend the superficiality of contextual manipulation, embracing a dialogue that values truth, understanding, and genuine human connection. This shift not only alleviates the strain on interpersonal dynamics, but also enriches our collective discourse, paving the way for a more interconnected and compassionate world.